Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before starting the video, where learning English is easy and fun, I'm Emily. Hello Emily, and a big hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. I am so happy to be here with you today. It is wonderful to see you, Paul. You look very energetic today. Do I? Well, I am feeling good. I had a very large coffee this morning. Coffee, the magic drink. We always talk about coffee. We do, but today, Emily, the coffee is part of our story. Oh, is it? Yes, today we have a very exciting topic. It is fast, it is loud, and it is busy. Ooh, I think I know what it is. Are we talking about the city? Yes, exactly. Today, we are talking about daily routine in a big city. That is a great topic. Many of our listeners live in big cities, and big cities are very different from small towns. The life is faster, much faster. We will talk about commuting, traffic, crowds, and some special city words. It sounds like fun. But Emily, before we jump into the busy city life... Yes, Paul? We have a small favor to ask our friends listening. Oh yes, please everyone, if you enjoy learning English with us, click the like button. It is a small click for you, but a big help for us. And please subscribe to Mr. English channel. We want to help you every week and share this episode with your friends. Maybe they want to learn about city life too. Yes, thank you so much. Okay, Paul, let's start. Let's go. So, Emily, imagine the big city. New York, London, Tokyo, Sao Paulo. Okay, I am imagining it. Tall buildings, lots of cars. Yes, and how does the day start in a big city? Well, for me, it starts with an alarm clock, a very loud alarm clock. Yes, in the city, we often wake up very early. We have to because we have a commute. That is a good word, commute. Can you explain it, Emily? Sure. Your commute is your journey to work. It is the travel from your house to your office. That is true. It is faster than a bus. Do you ever take the bus, Paul?
Sometimes, if I am not in a hurry. I like the bus because I can see the city.
That is nice. On the subway, you only see the dark tunnel.
Yes. On the bus, you can look out the window. You can see the shops and the people.
But the bus has a problem.
What is the problem?
Traffic jams.
Traffic jams. I hate traffic jams. When there are too many cars and they stop moving, it is frustrating. You just sit there. Beep, beep. Everyone is honking.
Honking? That is the sound of the car horn. Beep, beep.
The city is a very noisy place, isn't it?
It is very loud. Cars honking, sirens from police cars, people talking.
Construction. There is always construction in a big city.
Always. Someone is always fixing the road or building a new skyscraper. Skyscraper. I love that word. It is a good word. A skyscraper is a very, very tall building. It touches the sky. When I look up at skyscrapers, I feel very small. Me too. But they are beautiful at night when the lights are on. Yes, very beautiful. Okay, so we survive the commute. We arrive at the office. We drink our coffee. Of course, the second coffee of the day. And then we work. But Paul, what about lunch? Lunch in the city. There are so many choices. Too many choices. It is hard to decide. Do you bring your lunch from home? Sometimes to save money, like we talked about in our money episode. Good job, Emily. You are budgeting. Yes, but sometimes I like to buy lunch. Me too. In the city, we have food trucks. I love food trucks. They are like small kitchens on wheels. They park on the street. You can buy tacos, burgers, sandwiches, and it is usually delicious and fast. Yes, speed is important in the city. Everyone is in a hurry. That is true. Have you noticed that everyone walks very fast? Yes, if you walk slowly, people get angry. They say, "Excuse me, move please." It is the hustle and bustle. Oh, that is a nice phrase. Hustle and bustle. It means the busy activity and noise of a place. The city has a lot of hustle and bustle. It does. It has a special energy. It makes me feel awake, but also a little tired. Yes. So, after work, the commute again. Yes. The journey home. Everyone is tired. The subway is quiet. People are looking at their phones or reading books or sleeping. I have seen people sleep standing up on the subway. It is a talent. So, Paul, we are home, but the city does not sleep. No, they say the city that never sleeps. That is a famous expression about New York, but it is true for many big cities. There is always something to do. Restaurants, cinemas, theaters, shopping malls that are open late. Do you go out a lot in the evening, Paul? On Friday, yes. During the week, I like my sofa. I understand. But sometimes it is nice to meet friends for dinner. It is. And in the city, you can find food from every country. Yes. Italian, Chinese, Indian, Mexican. It is wonderful. You can travel the world just by eating dinner. That is my favorite part of the city, the diversity. Me too. Different people, different languages, different food. But Paul, sometimes the city is too much. Too much noise, too much concrete. Yes. Sometimes I need nature. Green space. Yes. Where do you go when you need nature in the city? I go to the park. Every big city has a big park. Like Central Park in New York or Hyde Park in London. Exactly. It is like an oasis, a quiet place in the middle of the noise. I like to sit on a bench. I watch the birds. I eat a sandwich.
And you forget about the traffic.
Yes, for 1 hour it is peaceful.
That is important, to find balance.
Balance is the key. The city is exciting, but you need to relax too. Paul, do you think you could live in a small town?
That is a difficult question. A quiet town with no subway, no skyscrapers. Maybe when I'm older, but right now I like the energy of the city.
You like the hustle and bustle.
I do. What about you, Emily?
I think the same. I complain about the rush hour.
We all do.
But I love the convenience. Everything is near. The shops are near, the doctors are near, the entertainment is near.
Yes. If I want a cookie at midnight, I can buy a cookie.
That is very important. Emergency cookies.
Exactly. You know, Emily, there is another thing about the city routine.
What is that?
The fashion.
Oh, yes. People dress very nicely in the city, especially in the business areas. Men in suits, women in smart dresses. It is like a fashion show every morning.
But also, people wear strange clothes and nobody cares.
That is true. You can wear anything you want. You can wear a funny hat. You can wear bright colors. The city is very accepting.
I like that. You can be yourself.
So, Paul, let's review some of our city words today. Good idea. We have commute, the trip to work. We have rush hour, the busy time in the morning and evening. We have subway and traffic jam, and skyscraper, the very tall building, and hustle and bustle, the busy energy.
These are great words for our listeners.
Yes, if you visit a big city, you will hear these words and you will see the crowds. Don't get lost in the crowd.
Oh, I have a tip for that. A tip for not getting lost. Yes. If you are lost in a big city, look for a map on your phone.
Emily, that is a very modern tip.
It works. Or ask someone, "Excuse me, where is the subway station? Excuse me, where is the best coffee shop?"
Priorities. Coffee first.
Always coffee first. Well, talking about the city makes me want to go out.
Really? Where do you want to go?
I want to walk in the park and maybe buy a pretzel from a food truck.
That sounds like a perfect afternoon.
It does, but sadly our time is almost finished.
Oh no, the time goes so fast in the city and on the podcast.
It really does, but this was a great conversation. I enjoyed it very much. I hope our listeners enjoyed it too.
Me too. We want to know about you listeners.
Yes, we have a question for you today. Do you live in a big city? Or do you live in a small town? And what is your favorite part of your city or town?
Maybe you like the quiet. Maybe you like the noise. Tell us in the comments. We love to read your stories. Yes, please write to us. It is great practice for your English writing. And before you go, please don't forget, subscribe to Mr. English channel. Click that like button if you learned a new word today. And share this episode with your friends. Maybe your friend who takes the subway. Yes, thank you so much for listening, everyone. You are all fantastic. Have a wonderful day in your city or your town. Bye for now. See you next time. Goodbye.